Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install mortgage pre-approval with Rocket Mortgage step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Rocket Mortgage website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Select the option for mortgage pre-approval from the available services. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, provide your personal information as requested. This includes your name, address, and social security number. Next, enter your financial details, including your income and monthly expenses. Be prepared to include information about your assets, such as bank accounts and savings. Upload any necessary documents that support your application. This may include pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. After you've entered all required information, review it for accuracy. When everything looks correct, submit your application for pre-approval. Then, wait for Rocket Mortgage to process your application. You will receive a notification regarding your pre-approval status. If approved, you will be provided with a pre-approval letter. This letter can be used to strengthen your position when making an offer on a home. Review the terms of your pre-approval carefully. Keep in mind that pre-approval amounts may vary based on your financial profile. Ensure that you remain within the established guidelines during your home search. Overall, securing your mortgage pre-approval with Rocket Mortgage is a straightforward process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.